Hello, gentle folk. Uh, I have to apologize for missing a few sessions and a few episodes. But
A
like I've
few?
said this before,
You?
like I have said before, it is a very
You've done
busy
three in
time.
the last 14.
It is a very busy time, and while I still haven't been thrown out of the podcast, I am very much here. The edits are
Very
on.
close to being thrown out of podcast.
They're looking for an editor, and as soon as they find one, they will replace me. But till then, I'm here in sporadic podcasts.
Don't make it our fault.
हाँ.
In sporadic
Be
podcasts.
sincere. Be sincere.
In
You're
sporadic
fucking
podcasts.
laughing.
I'm laughing at y'all interrupting me, not letting me do a concession only.
Oh, so now you
Honest.
know how it feels, Baba.
Be
Arey,
honest.
I'm being honest only. It is the importance of being honest.
बाबा शॉर्ट में बोल कभी आएगा वापस
अरे बाबा मैं आया ना ये एपिसोड के लिए
इसके
तुम
बाद
लोग
तू 6 महीना
तो
गायब
एहसान किया क्या आगे?
नहीं नहीं आई एम सेइंग देख to y'all were really kind to accommodate the request of recording on a Sunday night. Like we used to always record in the nights, but suddenly y'all have become old and now can't do nights. So,
Don't
sorry,
make it our
sorry,
fault.
sorry.
Again you made it our fault.
I apologize. I apologize. I should be a
We
lot
can't do it
more.
at night because your night starts at 10, you think, but you show up at 11:45. That's the reason why we are shooting in the day.
Bro, what? Anyway, guys, I'm still editing the podcasts because that's easier, solo activity. But yes, I apologize. I am very much here in the ether, and will miss a few podcasts here and there, but it is solely because of work. And for all those who used to keep asking, Neville, how do you do two things? How do you do two things when it becomes this bad? It's very difficult.
Nobody has ever asked that.
People have.
No.
People have asked me. People have asked me. So this is that time. Now you all can turn on your video. 2.5 minutes you all have done.
If you're on Spotify, come on YouTube to see Baba say sorry.
Hmm.
Let's start.
कल शो पे कैसे आ गया लेकिन यार तू शो पे आया था ना कल हम लोग शो कर रहे थे शो पे तो पहुंच गया बराबर टाइम पे उधर भी टाइम पे नहीं पहुंचा तू
हाँ
मैं
क्या?
फ्राइडे के शो पे आया था नहीं सैटरडे के शो पे मैं आ पाया
कैसा था शो मजा आया तेरे को तूने और
Oh,
ऑडियंस सेम टाइम में डिस्कवर किया शो
great it was. I like very much appreciated.
But speaking of, welcome back, Baba. We are very glad you're here.
I am also.
And we're very glad you cleared the air out because people were accusing us of throwing you out and you being the new Katie and a whole bunch of other stuff.
Which
भाई,
will
तो
happen,
Twitter
I'm
पे क्या
sure.
फैलती है भाई ट्विटर नहीं क्या
हाँ.
अपना दूसरा Reddit.
Reddit.
Oh, no. हाँ.
So
No,
guys,
no.
this is to squash all the rumors.
Bro, one sec. How am I that if I'm still editing the podcast and doing appear in the Jose podcast also, I have come and scream. So how, where?
No, that was you showing off according to
Yeah.
Arey, no,
popular
in the
belief.
Jose podcast, one sec. In the Ghost Stories podcast, I
Yeah.
have done 2 shrieks randomly. Just randomly.
Oh
Yeah,
please
I know.
find this Easter egg.
Kautuk, you remember I sent you a message.
Yeah,
You'll
you
be
sent
very
me.
proud of this.
Yeah.
And then I sent it on the group also. Guys, look at this time code. Because it's me doing one shriek
So
random.
now you know we don't pay attention to anything you say.
No, but if you caught the 2 shrieks, do put it in the comment below.
No, see, this will also be perceived as Baba flight में उधर से उसने shriek किया है.
No,
दिखा
I
नहीं
saw
कि उसके
video
पास
while I was
internet
editing
था.
it. No.
Clarify that also. Clarify that also.
Arey, they can see it. If you would have seen it, you would have known.
अच्छा, you show up. I thought कि
Yes.
आवाज निकला ऐसे.
No,
Oh.
I don't show up. So it's a shriek from a free server that you can download sound effects.
No,
And I
उसने भी खुद का नहीं डाला.
and I just no. But it's my video where I do like this, okay? And the lights are off, so I just come scarily like that for like 18 frames and bounce.
Nice.
That video has over 1 lakh views. And let me tell you the number of comments that have come
Mention
about
the
this
shriek.
thing. -0. किसी मतलब किसी के thought में भी नहीं आया.
But I feel like Baba has become subliminally part of people's memories. Like,
Yeah.
I said, this is like I kind of feel like I saw Baba screaming, but I can't remember really.
There are 1 second. 2 things. There are comments there, and also if you remember earlier, there was a podcast where I cut it right in the middle of, right before you say,
Yeah, good one. I
right?
remember that.
हाँ.
Hmm.
Dick, it started with you apologizing to now you say, अरे मैं क्या edit करता हूँ?
No,
तेरे
no,
को
I'm
editing के लिए लिया है
basically
क्या हम
saying
लोग
that
ने?
no. I said it for one sec. I said it for the part that you said that these are the theories floating about, and I was like, but bro, I'm still editing it, and the evidence is there of me in the podcast. So it's not like why
See,
would I
It
but
be
could also
editing
Baba,
it?
have
to
been we
make
have
that
pre-shot the
point,
episodes and you're editing it much later, earlier.
Hmm.
Could be that also.
No. The
Wow.
episode of the
anyway,
Jose's episode
wait,
starts with
guys,
some saying like Europe में
hold on.
मजा किया and all.
hold on. बाबा को कटघरे में बाद में डालेंगे. पहला,
हाँ.
let's talk about this Bhankas. The
Yes.
Yes.
brand new format
Speaking
with
of-
multiple formats inside that format. Oh man.
It's a format
So
pakoda.
for all you guys, this is we are going to take this time to tell you what happens there, so there's no confusion. So we've stumbled upon two formats inside a new format. Okay, and it's because of the people who come for the shows that now that format has been cemented and solidified, and that's what it's going to be. So in one line, if I had to explain the new format to you, it's you guys come to hear our stories. Yes, we will be telling you a whole bunch of our stories, but with a twist. But the bigger twist to the show is that you get to come on stage with us and tell us your personal stories. Okay. And in the last two shows that we've had about 12 people come up on stage, and the stories have been
Yeah.
wild.
Outstanding.
Yeah. So
Also,
keep your eyes
people
peeled.
who have come for the live show, rest assured, those videos, if any were shot, are not going to be shared. So the people who sent us messages, we are not sharing. That's why it's a safe space for you guys to come and do actual bunkas with us with your stories.
You won't
But then we
even
might just share it also. You don't know. So
no, but like to tell you some of the, like, just to give you the most without telling you what the stories were. Chunky Pandey's hats were involved.
Yes.
There were multiple people with multiple superpowers that are of no use.
yeah.
Okay. There was a guy who promotes sex.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
All of this you had to just
People getting arrested.
yeah.
There is
Yeah.
that also. And
Multiple people.
yeah. So we the audience has come with like a wide variety of stories. So if you end up seeing Tis Bunkus in your city, make sure you buy tickets. We are going to announce a proper tour also happening. These were a few shows to just workshop the format, and it's been great, and we are having a lot of fun. And we can't wait for you guys to come experience it, and we can't wait for you to tell us your stories. फिर मालूम पड़ेगा साले 250 एपिसोड पर्सनल स्टोरी कर करके निचोड़ के कैसे लगता है. So make sure when you come for the shows, you have crazy, interesting, random, absurd, weird, funny, unbelievable stories, and you'll stand a chance to come on stage with us. And
Yes. And please be willing to join us on stage and tell people
trust me,
about
it's a
this
lot
stuff.
of fun. We
It's
all
a lot
sit
of fun.
together and do a lot of bunkers. So thank you for all those of you who've already watched the shows, who are coming to Bombay next week and in Bangalore first week of December. Lots more shows to be announced, and keep your eyes peeled for it.
And sorry, just one last thing. That's not the only part of the show. There's two other parts of it. One involves us telling you stories, and you have to be a very active participant and pay
that's what, with
very
a twist.
close attention to those stories because there's a reason for that. And the third part is Adar has got some brand new songs cooking. So it's a whole lot of fun. So come for the bunker shows whenever they happen. And yeah.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random instant murders for facts that driven up the stories and we talk about it. But first, what I need to talk about is ये देख सब चार सस्ते आयरन मैन है इधर. तुम लोग आ गए. तू भी आ गया बाबा. Herd mentality में.
अरे because every time that plugging and all is irritating now, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I could have bought a new wire for my Blue Yeti, but I didn't. I instead put it. I'm like, that.
Wire is 350 rupees. This is 12,000
Yeah.
rupees. I don't know why you did
Arey,
it.
but that wire to find it, to know that this is a
Correct
dependable
one.
wire,
Then do
tootega.
that.
I had
Well,
sent the link to Varun. Anyway,
All right, speaking of cutting edge tech, I have I'm going to take you guys back a little bit because I'm going to take you back to the future, but from the past. So, first thing I want to talk about is this thing called the Gilbert U38 Atomic Energy Laboratory. This was a chemistry set for children, but it got banned by the US government.
Yeah,
It
because
was
of
released in
radioactive
19...
material.
Yes, in 1950, they actually sold this with legit uranium.
So U-38 was uranium-38.
Yeah.
What?
So it had a tiny part. It's 1950. Understand this. They're still experimenting with it, and they gave it to children to try out their own little experiments. And they had their tiny little reactor
And
which they could do stuff in.
and the parents open the room and they see the kids are glowing.
I was
Dude,
like, this
what?
is great.
Wait, so how did this even pass? मतलब यूरेनियम दे रहा है, तो कितना भी टाइनी क्वांटिटी दे, वह हाईली रेडियो है वो भाई.
Yeah.
तो सब
So,
बच्चे लोग.
dude, you're talking about a time when there was lead paint.
Yeah.
People are still understanding what to do
Yeah.
with these new
Arey, bro,
chemicals.
1952 is 7 years after the atomic bomb was blasted. Okay, the second it happened, people are like, नहीं ये भाई गलत चीज है. तभी हो गया था एस्टैब्लिश. फिर भी नहीं, तू गेम में डाल दे, थोड़े छोटे बच्चे के लिए स्कूल यार्ड में मजा आएगा.
Nobody knew about the quantity, right? Because there was this fact that I was reading about Madame Curie, right? So Madame Curie, it's been what, 99 years or something since she's passed away. Her body even today is radioactive. And the only reason for it is because when she discovered like radium or whatever, she would carry a piece of radium with her all the time. Because she really liked the color, like she really liked the color or the I would assume the illuminescence of it, right? So she would carry it everywhere.
Luminescence.
Sorry, not illuminescence.
It's
not Illuminati. So, bro, this age is a thing, huh? Age and tiring is a thing. But even today, her body is fully radioactive, bro. You can't go.
She's radioactive. क्या गाना है लेकिन? Oh. हाँ. फिर क्या हो गया? Game को?
Okay. No, the game got discontinued. Ultimately, better sense prevailed and they had to stop the game. But the guy who invented the game, he was also an author, and he was into nuclear science and everything, and he really asked them to not stop it in the first run. So they पहले रन के लिए जो प्रोड्यूस हुआ उसको रोको मत, उसको जाने दो. So there's a bunch of kids who did get this and they did order it and take it home.
Wow, man, that's crazy though.
कितने छोटे-छोटे ओपेनहाइमर बने होंगे हर जगह.
There is the half-life of uranium, and then this thing had a half shelf life also.
No, this is just children getting half-life. That's it. Okay, this next one I've got a little further back, even than that. So before, like, sending mail has always been an issue. We've used animals. So we've experimented with multiple animals before we zeroed down on the pigeon, which was during the World War. And pigeons played a big part during World War I.
For sending messages.
Yeah, for sending
when
messages.
You said experimenting, I thought some other stuff. I thought rats and monkeys.
So I said mail. I don't know. अगर वो mail शायद रह गया मेरे voice में.
नहीं mail बोला तूने, सुना मैंने, but
so sending out messages and stuff like that. So they experimented with a bunch of them. Now, one animal they thought could be very effective in sending mail would be someone that's very light on their feet and always lands on their feet.
Oh, cat.
So in 1870, cats were used in Belgium to actually send messages out. And let me tell you, they had 37 cats in the city of Liege in Belgium, and they hired them to deliver mail with waterproof bags hung around their necks. The experiment failed miserably.
Yeah, no shit.
Bro, what
Cats
were they thinking?
Of all animals. As a cat owner, would you trust Begum to go deliver anything to anybody else?
Bro, Begum barely, like, she stays with me. She like has some form of affection, but she wants to run out every time this door is opened. Like, she has no attachment, none. Like, she doesn't listen to anything, doesn't follow any order, has spent so long. We've tried speaking to her so many times, trying to teach her one thing. She has learned a sum total of 0. And she will look at you and be like, तू मेरे से कुछ करा रहा है? Oh, what a mistake. Watch me do something completely different, fucking idiot. What a terrible idea.
Not even taken her down? You've never taken her down like out of the
Oh
house?
no, we used to take her down early on.
With a leash?
With a leash.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
you get a
Wow.
cat leash,
I know,
and
I know. Huh?
and then you take the cat down for a walk, and everyone just gets shocked seeing this, because no one walks a cat, and
Yeah.
the reason for that is because, like, at least with her, we took her down, and her first order of business was to take a fight with every street dog, every stray cat. Like, इसका territory नहीं है, but she's like, मैं पंगा लूंगी.
ब्रो, उसको एक बार बाहर जाने का मौका मिला, बोला आज मैं सब करके आ रही हूँ। आज मैं बाहर हगेश मुकेश भी, और मैं थोड़ा झगड़ा वगड़ा भी करके, तो है ना,
झगड़ा
तो
है।
संभाल लेगा।
What's the biggest dog that she's gone like, चल आजा,
No,
हम भी हैं जोश में.
dude, so I think so. Here's what happened. So she saw one dog. Then the thing with the minute she saw it, she fluffed up and she started hissing and stuff,
Oh,
right? And then this dog heard her, and this dog, being like one friendly neighborhood, watchman's dog, was like, अच्छा बिल्ली है, चल देखता हूँ कौन है. तो पीछे से आया सूंघने को कि चल. Oh, bro, she has leapt up 7 feet, like, meaning she has gone Air Jordan fully. And उसने क्या किया, she got so frightened, her claws came out, she leapt up, and she has dug her claws straight
him.
into my thigh.
oh no.
तो मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ, वो चिल्ला रही है, कुत्ता चिल्ला रहा है, अपन तीनों बस. It was Priyadarshan.
Wow.
But
apparently, like,
the thing is, here you got the message not to take her down. So
Yeah. So at some point we went like, okay, you got to be happy within these four walls.
So they were effective. So cats are effective in delivering messages. That's not the point.
But the
Yeah,
not
if
the
you want
message
the
you want
message to be
ever.
delivered inside your
Not the
house.
message you intended to deliver.
Yeah. The
only
message
thing
is
that was
always
delivered was
they deliver
sorry.
it, and the message is always fuck you, whatever.
Fuck you, yeah.
The only thing that was delivered was a probably it's just like rabies या फिर एक tetanus injection.
Oh,
अच्छा.
pointless.
So
Yeah.
okay, the one thing was like with cats na, the cat and snakes ka reaction time was
Yes.
recorded,
Yes.
and cats can bully snakes. I didn't know that.
Bro, I
Like,
saw
snakes
this video.
don't
How are we
catch
getting the same videos?
It's called
I
an
literally
algorithm.
saw this video like last night or day before. और उसपे दिखाया भी, वो उसको करने जाते हैं, and the cat just suspends herself up in like no time.
Yeah.
And they are able to hit the snake much faster. तो
Yeah,
snake
yeah.
को react करने को टाइम नहीं, वो बोला कौन है भाई, नहीं साला काटने की झापड़ मार के चलेगी.
So snake ka speed is limited to its jaw. Like, this is the attack speed. Cat can do it in half the time with its entire body.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the snake speed would also include the distance it traveled to do the sting.
It's, by the way, it's very fast. The snake is also very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And to tell you how quick the cat is, like, you must find this video, okay, in case so you're very interested in this.
The snake versus cat reaction video, you'll find.
Yeah. Just look at it, because the best part about that video is how curious and bored the cat seems.
Yeah, bro.
So the snake does it.
Yeah.
It's literally that.
So for the cat, the snake is in slow motion.
Slow motion. It's
Yeah.
literally like
It's like that Spider-Man scene where ऐसे करके हाथ जा रहा है और तू ऐसा साइड में जाके ऐसा देख रहा है ऐसा.
exactly that.
Okay, the next I have to move to China because all the weird
see you.
tech. तो
लंदन हो गया,
one thing-
चले जाते.
लंदन देखा, चाइना देखा.
हाँ.
So this one is I'm gonna share this with you guys.
Share my this.
Mick Jagger.
Okay, so this is a machine that, latte art that is being created nowadays.
Oh, that's crazy.
But latte art with the machine making it. तो तू जो वो गंदा espresso वाला machine से you get irritated about that machine coffee. This is giving you the heart-shaped latte that is being created.
But is the coffee the same? And the problem is not the machine
Bro,
coffee. Has
दूध डाल रहा है
lack
machine
of
में.
art.
हाँ, सब कुछ ऐसा हाथ वाथ के साथ, and it spells your name wrong also on the this engagement.
That's the human touch.
Yeah, that's how they replace us.
Oh, That's crazy, dude.
No, you know, like China, a bunch of my friends in the last couple months have been to China, ठीक है? उन लोग हर Shanghai, Beijing, हर जगह जाके आए. They're like, bro, उधर कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है. उधर कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है. सब futuristic. My friends launched this new e-scooter, okay? So the parts for that are coming from China or whatever. So he was showing me a video of his dealer from there. उधर के मैन्युफैक्चरर ने इसको एक वीडियो भेजा वेयर ही इज इन अ ऑटोनोमस कार बैठा है, ठीक है, एंड इट इज नट्स द डिस्टेंस ही इज गॉन ऑलमोस्ट 1200 odd kilometers.
Yeah.
Or more. Autonomous.
So the Waymo is a cab.
Sorry, hold on. He was going from this end of China to Tibet. So till then he has that Xiaomi ka car, I think. Xiaomi
Yeah,
Huawei ka car. And it's like he's done all of China pretty much like 80% of it just autonomous. It only sort of started going a little bit closer to Tibet because उनका network कुछ लोचा है. 8000 किलोमीटर है वो.
बट चाइना में टिबेट ही नहीं है, तो कैसा मिलेगा उसको टिबेट?
तो ये शी जिनपिंग को बोल चुती मेरे को.
11 Jinping.
The irony is a little bit that ना कि गाड़ी के पास autonomy है पर तेरे पास नहीं.
तेरे पास नहीं है. Wow.
But the thing is,
nice one.
So the thing about these autonomous cars, and one philosophical point is that they're actually doing this and reducing the number of people that are needed to, like, fewer jobs with automated cars and automation, right? But there's such a populous nation that they're reducing this, because when I was just now in San Francisco, मेरा mind blow हो गया एक चीज से, वो Waymo के साथ मेरा mind blow हो गया, ठीक है, mind blow.
बता Waymo के बारे में.
So it's an autonomously driven cab. Now everyone's like Tesla, but ये बाप है, okay, full बाप. So you order it, it comes to the doorstep. पहले तो it has one
First it will call you and tell you कहाँ जाना है, and you'll be like.
So it has one satellite on top of it, okay, which is constant, and it has cameras literally everywhere, protruding from everywhere. Thing, and I think it's in LA as well, but it's definitely in San Fran, right? So what happens is you order the cab comes, it parks. Now you have to understand that. Imagine a person driving. Now just put the person in green screen and erase the person out. That is exactly what it looks like, because the car steering is turning. It is moving in. It is stopping for a person to cross the street. If there is a like,
which it should.
yeah. So like I was sitting at a cafe and I was eating something, and I was looking across the street. There was a small
Waymo crashed into you.
No. So there was a small little traffic jam because somebody was, like, was unloading boxes from a pickup truck, right? So what was happening is they had put accidentally, of course, put the one box in the lane of traffic. So while they were pulling it out, this car comes, it's waited. Then as soon as he took the box, it went a little bit further, but this guy hadn't gone far enough. So it waited again. Then it went, right? And it literally, I don't understand why you need the steering wheel in the car.
I was just going to ask you that. I was waiting for you to finish.
So
put you at ease as a human being watching it.
No, you can control it if something goes wrong.
Take control.
You can
emergency take control.
No, because the thing is, they basically say that please don't touch the steering wheel or take any control. We will control it from our control center and all of these other.
देख, जब मेरी गाड़ी खाई के ऊपर जा रही है ना, मैं कंट्रोल लेने वाला हूँ. I don't care what they suggest.
उसमें फंक्शन ही नहीं है लेने का.
फंक्शन ही नहीं है. It just.
मैं देगा ऐसे.
No, it turns on its own and it's damn free. Like, it would be scary if it was the only car on the street for the first time that they road tested it.
And you didn't know it.
It would be spooky as fuck. You have to, because it comes and the doors are obviously locked. So on the app, you say unlock doors. Then it unlocks the door. Then you get in. Then you sit, then it gives you a bunch of instructions as it starts to move. And it is spooky AF, because conceptually you're sitting in the back seat and there is no one in front.
See.
It's a visual, and it's San Francisco, so the roads are like this, right? They're literally up down with
Yeah.
the cable cars and the buses, and it's too spooky,
And
bro.
bro, you
No.
can't even say कि अरे बॉस थोड़ा जल्दी ले लो, लेट हो रहा है मेरे को, कुछ नहीं, चुपचाप.
No,
Yeah,
when you
so-
when you call
I've seen interviews with people who are my dad's age, and just talking about getting out of the car, having done one trip, and understand that, like, I realize that my father is skeptical about Amazon. कि तुम ऐसा ऑर्डर किया, आ कैसे गया? So when a person
कौन
his
भेज
age
रहा
looks
है?
at that and it's just like, this is just wrong. What is happening?
So and about China, I was watching a video of someone, and Thakur, you are absolutely right about how crazy it is. There are some cities in China where this guy is like, he points his camera out of his window, okay, his building ka window, and it's some like 900 story building with 900 other with a building opposite which has 900, and it's one quadrangle of some, basically उस one video frame में 4 million लोग हैं, ठीक है, just ये pan में. Now what happens is, he's like, shit, now I have to go, and he puts the camera down and he's like, I have to go all the way down to get car or something. But guess what? There's no electricity. Okay, my electricity has gone. So what am I going to do? So he says, no problem. I'm going to walk out of my building. So he walks. So he walks some 10 stories. So he walks 10 stories down, and he's like, and I'm downstairs. Do you know how I got here so fast? Because guess what? This building is actually on the 20th floor of another building. So they have multi-level cities
Yes.
that are fully functional, multi-level cities. तो वो उतरा है, और तू, it's literally like you're looking at Bombay, ठीक है? You're looking at your whole city, and you lean over from, say, one end of the road, and you look down, and there is another city down.
हाँ, और तेरे बिल्डिंग में ही स्कूल है, ग्रोसरी स्टोर है. सो इमेजिन गोइंग आउट ऑफ योर डोर, कॉरिडोर में चल के जा रहे हो, एंड देयर इज अ ग्रोसरी स्टोर, देयर इज अ स्कूल.
Bro,
There is
it
a
is-
लोधा में भी है
dispensary.
बे.
Bro, it's
No,
something.
but it's literally like, it's another, like, there's no option. Like, if there is an emergency, you need a hospital at every 20 flats or every 5 floors or something.
Bro, China genuinely कुछ और ही, they're living in
was,
between China and Japan, so they're living somewhere else only, because
there was a video this guy had made, Chinese guy. The video was join me on my way to work. Okay, that was his video. So same again. He says, I live in this building. This is the building. Building is super crowded. He says, I'm going down. He says, look, I'm down. Then he shows you the side of the one railing, and then the city, like, there is the actual ground of the city is like another 50 stories down.
that is what I'm saying.
On
Yeah,
one
yeah.
full promenade, right? So उधर तक तो नीचे तक तो धूप भी नहीं पहुंच रहा है. So if you're living on the ground floor, you're not seeing sunlight, you're not seeing
But
anything.
this is like that show Silo, where they
Yeah.
live in
Yeah.
levels. तो तू नीचे तो
But
आ रहा ही नहीं है कुछ.
Thakur, the thing that is really going to make you really enjoy your life. Are you ready? घुसता है वो मेट्रो में, क्या बोलता
तो
है?
ऐसा जाते नीचे.
नहीं, I'm in the metro, and this is on my way to work, and this particular metro goes through a building.
Yeah, it goes through a building.
Yeah, I've seen that.
तो एक building है, and they've just hollowed out one section so that the metro can go through it. Right?
Imagine trying to get permission for that anywhere else in the world.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir, you have to vacate your flat. No, I don't want to buy. No, we have to get a train through this. No, I don't. Where will I live? This is not done. I will file a case against you. China.
Imagine BMC.
चल निकल.
BMC doing this here. हमारे एक बिल्डिंग में खड्डा करना है. Like, आप बिल्डिंग के अंदर खड्डा करोगे अभी, जमीन में काफी नहीं था.
Bro, can you imagine, like, you're living in that building and you're late for work and you're like, मैं पकड़ लूंगा मेट्रो.
खिड़की से
सीधा
कूद के
fourth floor
सीधा
से.
ट्रेन के ऊपर चाहिए.
ब्रो, ये मल्टी लेवल सिटी में अगर तेरे को एक जगह से नीचे जाना है तो जैसे फ्लैग, वो जो स्ट्रिप पोल पे जैसे फायर फाइटर्स जाते हैं नीचे, सीधा वैसे ही जाते हैं.
Strip pole पे.
करके.
नहीं तू, no,
अरे,
so there was that thing ना,
बैंगलोर आ गया मैं.
तू ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे पहुंचता है, फिर तू जाके दूसरा एक्सप्रेस एलिवेटर लेता है जो दूसरे लेवल के ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जाता है, फिर वहां से तीसरा एलिवेटर लेके फिर तू एक और ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जाता
और
है.
ये नीचे के लेवल के विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंट पब्लिक, नो क्या करे.
जो
They are
बेचारे
just like एक
ग्राउंड
दिन
पे
अरे
ही
धूप
रह
दे
रहे।
दो कोई तो किधर धूप है क्या?
तो
नहीं,
हम लोग के इधर उधर भी होता है। हम लोग के इधर अगर तू नीचे रह रहा है ना तो पब्लिक सीधा अपना कचरा फेंक रहा है तेरे
कचरा कचरा स्ट्रेट तेरे घर पे। तो इधर से तो सीधा अपने सिटी से दूसरे सिटी में फेंक रहा है ये किसी और
आई
घर।
एम डन विद दिस एप्पल।
How
या
does a broker sell a flat there? It's like cross ventilation, नहीं वो नहीं होगा। सी फेसिंग, सर सी फेसिंग है लेकिन दूसरों के फ्लैट में भी बहुत फेसिंग है। मतलब how do you sell this place, man?
ब्रो चाइना तो किधर और ही रह रहे हैं। हाँ
डूड एक तो अभी तो ऑटोनोमस यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, सो एक तो उन लोग ने सेल्फ बैलेंस्ड इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर बना दिया।
हाँ?
सो यहाँ पे
मतलब
ओला फट रहा
पब्लिक
है
को कुछ करना ही नहीं है लाइफ में कि मुझे चलाना
तो
नहीं है, राइड नहीं करना है, मुझे बैठे रहना है, मैं पहुंच जाऊं किधर तो भाई बिना कोई
so
इंसान के
what
बात
people
किए।
have done is that because it's self driving also, so and it's balanced, तो लोग ऐसा बाजी रख रहे हैं उसमें और घर बेच रहे हैं। वापस आ रहा है वो। तो
अबे
लोग आके बाजी उठा
एक मिनट, मेरे को ये जानना है, ये चूतिए जो ये सेल्फ बैलेंसिंग बाइक को एज अ कुरियर सर्विस यूज कर रहे हैं, खाना पहुंच जाएगा लेकिन मैं चलते चलते किसी के बाइक से सीधे ले लूंगा उनके
उठा
थैली,
सकता है,
तो फिर
इट्स जस्ट अ
मुझे
थैली
सब
ऑन द सीट।
ले लूंगा मैं। चल ऑटोनोमस निकल इधर से, वो थोड़ी कुछ बोलने वाले कि सर ये मेरे मालिक का है। हट।
no, I'm assuming they put it in something ना, like they put it in one.
नो नो, सीधा सीट पे रखा हुआ है ऐसा,
नहीं,
जस्ट टू
सीधा
टेस्ट, ये
बाइक
देखो
को
कितना
एक
अच्छा बैलेंस है
मार के
इसका।
गिरा दे। ऑटोनोमस बाइक लग के गिर तो सकती है ना, जैसे लात मार दिया बाइक को गिर जाएगी, कितना
बाय द
बैलेंस।
वे
या वो ऑटोनोमस बाइक है और मेरा अनोनमस थेफ्ट है, क्या
हाँ
करेगा?
by the way, this is all these autonomous cars are fun and games
हाँ।
until you realize कि in the future you're not going to own your car. It's going to be on your
रेंट
सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल।
सब्सक्रिप्शन। हाँ
एंड अगर तू पैसा नहीं भरा तो गाड़ी खुद ब खुद निकल के चली जाएगी तेरे गैराज से।
Which Tesla can actually do.
या
They can
या
यही
legit
वजह
do
है
that.
भाई, यही वजह है। रात को सो रहा हूँ गाड़ी का, यार वो साहब तो चले गए, साहब चले गए, फिर मैं साहब हूँ। अरे वो तो मैंने तो सलाम भी किया, बोला जाओ साहब थैंक यू, मेरे को टिप
वो
भी
हॉलोग्राम, वो
तेरे को
सांप
टिप
का
दे रहा
हॉलोग्राम मारा था उसने, सीट के ऊपर सांप का हॉलोग्राम लगा के रखा है।
हॉलोग्राम में एलॉन चला रहा है तेरा
हाँ।
गाड़ी।
अरे कोई एक गोरे आदमी बैठे थे आपके बाजू में, मेरे बाजू में, मैं खुद नहीं था उसके अंदर। नहीं, एलॉन मस्क हमने देखा है, वो डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प के जो दोस्त है। भाई तू बहुत न्यूज देख रहा है
भाई
साले।
तू बहुत ही करंट अफेयर से अपडेटेड है भाई।
क्या चल रहा है भाई? नहीं
जो
वो
आदर तेरे साथ हुआ था ना डोनाल्ड
हाँ?
ट्रम्प वाला।
अरे डूड, तो मैं रिक्शा में आ रहा था, अभी इलेक्शन हुआ है तो द रिक्शा वाला एंड बोथ ऑफ अस आर डिस्कसिंग, क्योंकि चेकिंग हो रही है, हमारा भी इलेक्शन आ रहा है, तो सडनली इलेक्शन के बाद में इसने बोला, अरे अभी अमेरिका में भी तो आया ना वो मैकडोनल्ड। एंड व्हाट वाज ब्यूटीफुल वाज ही हैड प्लान्ड एंड रिहर्स दिस जोक टू मेक मी लाफ। ही न्यू दैट व्हाट ही सेड इज फनी।
या
ही न्यू वेयर यू लिव्ड, ही इज लाइक इधर एक कॉमेडियन रहता है जो कभी ना कभी तो उसको जाना पड़ेगा शो के लिए, तो मैं रुक जाता हूँ। अब जैसे वो आएगा
ओपन माइक स्टार्ट।
अच्छा
स्टैंड अप
तो
कॉमेडी
तेरा
बाय।
अच्छा ठाकुर का ये जो चोरी का आइडिया है ना, दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू फिगर आउट कि अगर तू बाइक पे ऐसे रखेगा तो चोरी कर लेगा ना तेरा सामान,
हाँ
कोई ऐसा
हाँ
उधर एक
ऑटोनोमस बाइक।
फोर्स
तो
फील्ड है अभी।
they have figured out a solution to this.
ओ गॉड व्हाट इज
ऑटोनोमस वेजिटेबल्स, कि ये
No,
वेजिटेबल खुद चल के आते
this
No, it
हैं।
is
flies.
a motorcycle that flies.
ये कौन है?
It is a motorcycle that flies.
वाह
Okay,
bro।
so
वो
one
चली गई।
sec. So one sec. Can I tell you something about this?
इट्स फेक।
Yes,
So I
You
did
wrote it in San
you
Francisco.
wrote it.
I did the Diwali call, right? The Zoom call
हाँ.
that I do for Diwali.
The wish of family।
So I didn't know the one where I ask basically
Hmm.
people
No, we
who
know.
are, no, I
ओह
thought
सॉरी, आई थॉट तू अपने, ओह आई
नहीं नहीं
फॉरगॉट।
हाँ.
हाँ.
तू कॉल पे करता है?
No, I do a Zoom
नहीं, it's
call.
like a Zoom.
हाँ जूम,
हाँ.
हाँ तो जूम कॉल बोलना,
I
कॉल
said
बोल या
Zoom
जूम
call.
कॉल बोल, कंफ्यूज
Zoom
मत
call
कर।
बोला मैंने
हाँ
that I do for Diwali. So on that,
हाँ.
someone who had come, he was developing this for Bombay, for India. A
बॉम्बे
flying,
में तो नहीं हो रहा है भाई।
so a
भाई
flying.
बैंगलोर में ऑलरेडी प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है कि तुम पाइलॉन पे उबर ओला नहीं कर सकते।
the bike no
So
is it
apparently the Uber bike, the pylon bike का जो you can order, you can just sit behind somebody on a,
Pillion।
like you can, yeah, pylon, yeah. So it's a pylon. For me, it's a pylon.
मैं बोला क्या बोल रहा है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा। मैं क्या
Elon,
भाई, पहलवान भाई।
it's Elon
Fair.
Musk.
Hmm.
Hmm.
तो
So, so pillion wale के against all the rickshaw and the taxi union have started protesting. Okay, this is not allowed. And there was thousands of people protesting this. तेरे को लगता है ये बाइक का आएगा?
Bro,
No,
that,
no.
क्यों प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे लेकिन?
हाँ, because it's taking business away from them ना. Those people जो एक बंदा एक रिक्शा में बैठ के जाता था, वो गया है ना अभी.
So like that they should protest even cabs. कि अरे कैब हमारा रिक्शा का धंधा लेके जा
they
रही है,
did.
क्या बात?
They did.
वो
It
तो
didn't
अपना
work.
but they've realized that at some point we have to unite against this one common enemy.
सब
The
cab
bike
should
was too
protest
far.
against trains. कैब शुड प्रोटेस्ट
हाँ.
अगेंस्ट ट्रेन की। साला हम लोग पहले 5-5 लोग 8-8 लोग को बिठा के लेके जाते, अभी ट्रेन में जा रहे हैं, ट्रेन बोलेगा प्लेन से। सब यही कर रहे हैं। इसके बाद क्या, जेट
Speaking,
पैक सीधा पहन के निकलो खुद का ही पर्सनल।
Hey, by the way,
speaking,
they've invented the
I've seen
jetpack.
that.
You've seen it, no?
speaking of trains, I have a train from China
Oh my God.
that, so it's a train that is actually, it's a, like think trams, which like trams, but trams require tracks.
Hmm.
But they've decided to, they've managed to create a train which is, they carries like 100 passengers
Mhm.
and it is going on the road, but it's being directed by the paint job. So it's analyzing the paint tracks. So the tracks are painted on the concrete. So
Oh
it's
my
following those routes.
Bro, this will not work in India. क्योंकि 6
Yeah,
लोग
क्योंकि
ठोक
paint,
देंगे तो
एक
एक
घूम
अलग
गया तो
रेड
उधर जाके
लाइन
ट्रेन
बन
अटक
जाएगा.
जाएगी भाई। एक मिनट, सॉरी,
No, guys,
ये
y'all are
क्या
all
साले दीवार
wrong.
पे चल रही है
You
सब करके
you
जो
don't
गए।
even need that. I am saying they will paint it, and then some two people will decide while the paint is wet to walk over
Walk on
it
it.
हाँ
or
Hmm.
move around it. One car will come and park and have make second tire marks. So now the train is going where?
ब्रो,
So
दिस
no,
इज
no.
दिस इज द सेम रीजन व्हेन आई वाज बाइंग द कार
Hmm.
मेरा अभी
Which
जो
one?
इलेक्ट्रिक एमजी लिया जब, तो उसमें जो द टॉप वाला वर्जन था ना, कुछ 3-4 लाख ज्यादा महंगा था, ठीक है। तो आई वेंट टू
Hmm.
सी कि क्या है इतना 4 लाख महंगा, मतलब कुछ तो होगा ना अंदर। तो मैं सब फीचर्स कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ। वन ऑफ द मेन स्टैंड आउट फीचर्स व्हिच इज व्हाई इट वाज सो एक्सपेंसिव वाज एडैस।
What is ADAS?
अरे एडैस है
I,
तेरा ऑटोनोमस ड्राइविंग वाला असिस्टेंट,
Oh,
जिसमें
oh.
तू
hmm.
वो
अगर
छोड़ के पार्क कर
तेरे
देगा वो तेरे लिए.
ये करेगा, असिस्टेड पार्किंग, इससे लेके बहुत कुछ है। वन ऑफ द थिंग्स इज दैट इफ देयर इज समबडी क्लोज टू यू, अलार्म बजता है, ये सब। मैं बोला दिस ऐसे क्लोज इज वे ऑफ लाइफ, ठीक है।
Hmm.
इधर तेरे और तेरे नेक्स्ट कार में आधे इंच का फर्क होता है बॉम्बे में,
Hmm.
विच बाय अदर यूरोपियन अमेरिकन
और उस आधे इंच में एक स्कूटर वाला घुस रहा है.
एक स्कूटर वाला घुस जाता है, 3 लोग चल के भी जाते हैं उसके पीछे। क्योंकि
Hmm.
some of my friends who have ADAS in their car, they had to go and get it switched off by the dealership कि जुते आवाज बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होगा हमसे।
और तू
या
वहां पे बोल रहा है क्या मजा है 4 लाख ज्यादा पैसा बर्बाद करके.
Waste.
ADAS.
Okay,
हाँ.
so
ऐसा
speaking of ADAS, ADAS is basically taking this augmented reality kind of photograph of the stuff around your car, na? So human beings, cars, and everything. So now the first, how this started was gaming. That whole Pikachu and the this that started, everybody was
Pikachu.
like, याद नहीं है
Pikachu
क्या?
started autonomous driving.
no, no,
अरे नहीं, that what
way
was that
before
game?
that. It's
What
way
was that
before
game? हाँ, but like that's what made it like super pop culture. Like that was the first augmented reality game that really went viral, ना?
हाँ.
क्या
कौन सा था वो?
Pokemon
Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go.
Pokemon.
So
Bro,
Pokemon.
मेरे को that you know the most amazing thing about that was कि
हाँ.
लोअर परल में स्नॉर्लैक्स मिल रहा है. It was
Yeah.
just कि तू बॉम्बे में ये सब पोकीमैन बैठे.
ये भाई तू क्या हंस रहा है साले? कौतुक, हम लोग उधर शूट कर रहे थे फिल्म सिटी में, करके आई नॉट फॉरगेट वी वर इन द कार। कौतुक लाइक, एक मिनट इधर रोकना, इधर थोड़ा लेफ्ट पे, थोड़ा पीछे।
I'm
हम
not
लोग तो
saying
अरे
it.
मुझे पोकेमोन मिला है, मतलब
I'm not saying it derogatorily. I'm saying it. I'm just.
हाँ.
I was amazed the same way I was
Yeah.
amazed कि मैं YouTube को नेरुल में देखा हूँ. It's just conceptually it's not right.
So now what has happened is because it's fun to play these. हम लोग क्या, we in our age we used to play चोर पुलिस. You know, it was fun. हम लोग अपना टॉय गन लेके जाते थे and we used to play. Now what kids in China are doing, there's this one video I found
Oh my
where
God.
they have scanned their building as a map, which you can do. which you can scan the entire area with LiDAR, and then you create your own map like a Counter-Strike map, filled with ammunition spaces, stuff like that, which are QR codes.
So it's Counter-Strike inside Lodha.
Yeah. So what they're doing is the phone is attached to the gun that the child is holding, which is a toy gun. And then
क्या चल रहा है यार?
they are playing around and भाग के जब उन लोगों को कुछ लेने का है तो अपने दोस्तों को गोली मार रहे हैं, and when QR कोड से रीलोड हो रहा है, हेल्थ मिल रहा है उन लोगों को. It is analyzing where your friends are in real time and they are playing this game. अगर उसको मारा तो उसका QR कोड को तू स्कैन करेगा तो then that will be a shot.
Bro, now parents don't know what to do because the kid is playing outside also, but screen time also.
No, that's not, yeah, that's so true. Also, I don't know if this is insane tech या तो बच्चों को चूतिया बना रहे हैं इन लोग.
No, it's
और
insane tech. I assure you, तू बच्चों को चूतिया नहीं बना सकता है when it comes to tech.
Yeah, बिल्कुल नहीं.
True. वो हम लोग को चूतिया बनाएंगे भाई आजकल के बच्चे. क्या स्मार्ट हो गई है पब्लिक, सब छोटे बच्चे. नेक्स्ट लेवल चल रहा है उनका तो.
But Chinese
bro,
parents,
I'll tell you what my augmented reality was. ठीक है, ये बच्चे लोग लाइडार, सोनार, पता नहीं क्या क्या एरिया 51 का टेक लेके इन लोग खेल रहे फोन के साथ. हम लोग दिवाली के टाइम पे वो जो गन है ना जिसके अंदर तू टिकली डालता है, टिकली का रोल डालते थे, जो ठा 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 करना है, ठीक है. तो हम लोग चोर पुलिस खेल रहे हैं और अगर मुझे तू देखा, मुझे तुझे मारना ना, मैं वो करूंगा. नाउ देयर इज नो वे टू प्रूव because if you hear it you will do it to me and then there's a half an hour fight of मैंने तेरे को पहले मारा, नहीं मैंने तेरे को पहला मारा, और कुछ है ही नहीं, प्रूफ विटनेस कुछ नहीं है. टिकली वाली गन से एक दूसरे को, और ओ मरने की एक्टिंग है वो सम लाइक मैं डिलीजेंट था कि इससे मेरे को मार दिया ना तो मैं
हमारा गुड फेथ पे चल रहा है सब कुछ.
मैं गुड फेथ में प्रॉपर खेला, मैं मरने की एक्टिंग करता था ब्रो कि अरे झाड़ी में गिर गया तो सामने वाले को लगे ना कि कुछ कूल.
Varun auditioning since he was playing Diwali.
Doing good scene partner.
मेरे दोस्तों कुछ मजा आया कि नहीं उनको, फिर उन लोग भी कर ज्यादा मजा आता है भाई. रिएक्शन चाहिए ना पब्लिक से. तू किसी को गोली मार रहे टिकली वाली गन से, वो मरेगा नहीं तो क्या फायदा है.
बट बाहर निकलना होता है ना बच्चे लोग को. the whole screen time problem is rampant, so it's like these two Chinese parents have figured out a great solution for their son. They couldn't afford a treadmill, so they decided we're going to create one for our son, and they have created a treadmill. It's
sleeping on water.
तो पानी डाल रही है और उसको पतला करने के लिए भगा रहे हैं लोग.
ये है बॉम्बे में.
Bro, these are two Chinas. उधर उन लोग फोन से गन पबजी खेल रहे हैं और ये बेचारा पानी पे फिसलते हुए ट्रेडमिल कर रहा है यार. Insane. That's quite ingenious actually.
Yeah,
it's very smart.
Very fun.
Then there's America. We have to come to America. Smart inventions is a dude who has rendered the hairstylist useless because he has created.
I'm making a cream that makes everyone go bald.
No, dude. He has created a machine that cuts your hair. Would you willingly, Thakur, stick your neck?
No, I'm saying no.
In a machine. I initially when I thought I'd check the video out would be कि वो ऐसा वो trimmer घुमा रहा है with a safety on it. Nope. It is the same coffee making machine जो दूध डाल रहा था, वही kind of arm with कैची roaming around your head.
Oh fuck, चूतिए, वो कॉफी बनाने वाला अगर मेरे सर पे लिख देगा किसी का नाम तो सॉरी सर, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया. आज कॉफी बनानी थी कि बाल काटना था.
ब्रो सॉरी, मैं जादू सीजर हैंड्स के साथ तो नहीं कटवा रहा अपने बाल.
बट here's the thing, right?
वॉली सीजर हैंड.
Argument for it is this ना कि आजकल your surgeries are being done with like super precise like these things like robots.
अरे लेकिन एक चीज मैं बताता हूँ, देख हम लोग डॉक्टर को कैसा ट्रस्ट करता है सर्जरी करने को.
हाँ,
बिकॉज वो डॉक्टर ने मेहनत किया ना, बहुत साल पढ़ाई वढ़ाई किया है, एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, ये मेरे को फॉर सम रीजन ये मेरे पे भरोसा नहीं है. मेरे को लगा ये
चंपी देगा बे,
सैलून में सीख के आया है.
नहीं, और ऑल्सो जब डॉक्टर के वो मशीन मेरे पे ऑपरेट कर रही है, मैं सेडेटेड हूँ, ठीक है, मैं खत्म हूँ, सो गया हूँ, फिर मेरे पे
look at how well it's doing, yeah.
मैं एनेस्थीसिया पे कर लूंगा ये कि मैं
You're not giving it credit.
Then they
So
can
you have to go under general anesthesia every time you're trying to cut your
Yeah.
hair.
You need an
That's not right.
anesthesiologist at Be Blunt.
Do you want something short, something bouncy, something curly? No, I want to go under. Sure. Please come here, sir. So what will you
Surprise me.
take? Green tea,
General anesthesia.
general
please.
anesthesia, or Coke?
Bro,
Now-
how do you trust? Oh my God. Okay, cool.
Okay, then
तू जाएगा
there's
बाबा
lazy.
अपने कर्ल्स कर्लिंग कराने जाएगा कि नहीं? हाँ?
Special
अबे वो
curl
तो ठीक है ना,
activator.
वो तो तेरा मशीन लेके सिर्फ ऐसा कर रहा है तेरे बाल में खुजली, क्या टेंशन?
खुजली करने के लिए कर्ल्स नहीं होता है खुजली करके.
अबे
Hey,
कर्लिंग
it's
क्रीम डाल और
crunching.
खुजली कर,
Baba,
हो गए
it's-
कर्ल.
hey,
ठीक है, मेरे
Varun,
पास भी
it's
कर्ली बाल
called
थे.
scrunching. It's called
Sir.
scrunching, buddy.
You have to crunch it.
हाँ, तू बैठ के करते रहता ना बाबा, याद है कि नहीं एम्स्टरडेम में फर्स्ट डे पे जब
ये
मिला था
करने का ना
बाबा?
ये.
अरे
हाँ?
भाई,
हाँ.
बाबा क्या मतलब properly like cream, gel, I don't know what all you
Gel?
put in your
I don't
hair,
use
Baba. Oh, sorry,
Sure.
Baba. Please, next
I only
cold
use
open
curl
will-
cream on the day I wash it, and then it does up to day 3. But then day 4 and 5 I have to wash it again. I don't refresh and all that. I don't do.
We know that.
What is refresh?
You have to refresh
Nah.
your curls, na?
Acha. Wow.
Oh,
Nah,
I
nahi
thought
be.
this-
Chale.
How you refresh?
वो ओल्ड स्कूल ऐसे रोलर डाल के बैठना घर पे.
No, refresh is nothing. You have sometimes water, but you can do water with like a conditioner kind mixture, and then you just scrunch it on.
Crunches.
But I don't do all that because that's more effort.
Baba,
I just
तूने-
rather go into the shower and do one hair bath.
तूने 56 एपिसोड में एक पेन लेके ऐसे
हाँ,
ऐसे किया
जो हम लोग को स्क्रंचिंग बोल रहे हैं, सारे रेनॉल्ड्स की पेन लेके तू अपने कर्ल्स बना.
रेनॉल्ड्स को अंदर भी घुसा है.
ऑफ कोर्स.
वो है
Okay.
असली तेरा राज.
Acha, this next one is
What do you do for your hair? A podcast?
I do a podcast and I just come and I sit there, I listen to it. I listen to it while I'm on it.
फिर
This next one is again autonomous.
Abhi
But
kya
this is to activate your laziness. It is, don't you, like, have you ever sat on your couch and then, अरे यार, coffee table बहुत दूर है.
yeah.
So
Yeah, I
this
have.
solves that problem.
Oh God.
This is a coffee table that follows you around.
That's
Oh.
fucking creepy, bro. Fuck that. Fuck that. That looks like that's going to jump on me and bite me. You fuck that. No chance. No, fuck off.
वो पीछे पीछे घूम रहे तेरे.
That's fucking. Oh, galat.
Bro, nice.
Guys, if you're on
And then
Spotify,
if
please
you
know
copy
what,
YouTube
can I
as
just
is.
say
If you
something?
pet it, it goes back to its position. तो उसने ऐसे टेबल पे ऐसे टप टप किया, तो it's like good boy, and then
Can
it
I
goes
just
back.
say something? If they had not made it with legs,
Yeah.
but they had
Yeah.
made it with wheels that I could control, I'd be okay with this. But this walking legs thing that they have done has
One
made
second.
it no.
And he's taking it out on a walk,
यार.
like Kautuk takes his cat.
तो इसमें भी
bro.
कैमरा लगे है ना कि चलते चलते घर वालों को गिराते जाएगा कॉफी टेबल कि सब चले दादाजी गिर गए. अरे क्या हुआ? अरे वो कॉफी टेबल चल रहा था. अरे
और दादाजी के ऊपर चल के
दादाजी के ऊपर चलते हुए जा रहे हैं. दादाजी बुला रहे हैं. मुझे चाय चाहिए थी. अरे
दादाजी को चाय देने बोला था. दादाजी
हाँ.
पे चाय देने नहीं बोला.
तो
But can you imagine the horror potential कि तू रात में सोया है and then you suddenly hear that your coffee table is moving around on its own right outside
Bro.
your fucking door. Oh, creepy.
Bro, it's not
Good.
far away from you syncing your alarm to your coffee table where it makes you the perfect brew that you like at
With
the
a machine.
temperature that you like it.
I'm sure it
A-
already does it.
A minute before you wake up and it comes to you.
Stop recounting every episode of the Jetsons.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
You want to see true tech? It's there for all you kids and Gen Z. If you all don't know, please go watch this cartoon called The Jetsons.
Yeah. Gen Z.
Gen Z.
Acha, so now we're coming to autonomous India.
Oh,
Okay.
अरे
See,
आत्मनिर्भर
we-
आत्मनिर्भर प्रोडक्ट्स.
See, we
नहीं
all
चल रहा
remember. देख कछुआ छाप का ad याद है देखो where the frog used to just like all out.
That's all out, all out,
हाँ. So they've used that same mosquito coil. But the problem with the mosquito coil is it's only in one place all the time. So you have to put multiple mosquito coils everywhere.
So when that
this
starts
is the
walking,
ये चल के जाता है.
This is the ingenuity of Indians. So this is
Oh God.
They
Bro,
put on a
इसको
dog.
oh no, he's put on a doll.
सब जान रहे हैं?
They put
It's
on a
just a
dog.
crab.
No, it's a
No,
doll.
it's a
It's
crab
a
toy.
robot.
Oh,
it's a
fuck.
crab toy.
That's damn funny.
Dude.
Oh,
Again,
by the
this
way,
is
sorry.
not autonomous.
Bro,
इसपे तो
one
कैमरा
sec.
नहीं लगे 360 कैमरा चूती ये तो दादाजी को गिराएगा कंफर्म ये
Indian
केकड़ा
Indian
केकड़ा
Jugaad
मस्कीटो
is
कॉइन
a Indian Jugaad is a genre
Yeah,
all
yeah,
by itself.
category.
It is
Should
just unreal.
we should do an episode on Jugaad for sure.
I think we've done some stuff because I remember there was
Yeah.
a like a bicycle that was connected, like a automatic bicycle, sorry, a
Bawa,
wheelchair which had a motor which was connected to a hull, which would
हाँ.
then hull चलाने के लिए जो
Bro,
ऐसा
sorry, by the way, while we're on this topic, I must bring up, I think we've already done it, but must bring it up again. There were these two guys who got booked, okay? The police came and confiscated this thing that they had invented. What they had done was they had taken a Wagon taken out the back of it, taken out the roof, and converted it into a helicopter.
What the fuck? Hey, Ranchod Das.
तो उन लोग ने वैगनआर का हेलीकॉप्टर बना दिया.
Did they call it wagon like that?
पुलिस आया ब्रो उन लोग के उधर और कॉन्फिस्केट करके गया because they were like you can't make your own flying vehicle.
Oh really? Watch me.
Watch
Wait till you see what I've done
Can
to
you-
my Zen Estilo.
Can you imagine being that guy who's booked an Uber and is waiting,
Wagon R.
sir आप
So
कहाँ
like-
हो? And the guy says अरे ऊपर देखो
आपके खिड़की के बाहर हाँ खिड़की के बाहर हाँ
गाड़ी
सर
क्या है? मरून वैगनआर.
आप बार बार बोलते हो मैं नीचे आ रहा हूँ नीचे आ रहा हूँ नीचे आ रहा हूँ लेकिन आप आते
इसलिए
ही
मैं
नहीं
ऊपर आ गया
हो। ऊपर आ
हाँ।
गया
लेकिन मैं नीचे हूँ अभी सर ठीक है मैं नीचे आता हूँ अरे मैं ऊपर हूँ अभी सर एक काम करो आप चल के
आप भाई
जाओ
रुको मैं आ रहा हूँ.
क्योंकि ये फ्लाइंग वैगन आर आप डिजर्व नहीं करते
Oh man.
So, you guys think Indian Jugaad is great? Wait till you see Pakistani Jugaad,
Oh,
guys.
yes. Let's
तेरे
go.
को तू सैन फ्रांसिस्को से क्या इम्प्रेस हो रहा है बाबा? This is
हाँ.
Pakistan right now. This is our friend.
या
He's operating the car from his keyboard.
बाप रे बाप.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Dude,
Oh no.
this video ends
No.
You know what
in
this
what
is?
way?
You know what this is? This is no way more.
Yeah, bro. This is
Bro.
like, I would like to
I
say
am not
autonomous
watching the
cabs.
end of that video. I think the camera is still live streaming, but there is
Baba,
nothing.
would you
The
have
thing is,
gotten
he's
into a
doing it
car?
on his keyboard, but he's looking at the guy who's fucking filming the video. अबे
Yeah.
autonomous नहीं है गाड़ी तू कंट्रोल कर रहा है तो टेक्निकली फिर भी तुझे देखना है रास्ते को in somehow.
Also, the keyboard, I don't understand.
It gives you road rash feels. You don't
No,
want road rash.
bro,
And my
this is-
problem is, even if you did Road Rash or Carmageddon, what you have to understand is that it is a 2D universe converted to on a 3D map. Here he is
How?
using left, right, front, back. There's no diagonal.
Yeah, bro.
There's no.
अरे वो हल्का हल्का दबाना
How
पड़ता है
does
ना,
he-
हल्का
Just
Baba, this is
माउस था उसके दूसरे हाथ में माउस है भाई वो माउस को ऐसे टर्न
this is just a guy who got tired of waiting for GTA 6 and is like मैं
Yeah.
कुत्ता निकाल रहा हूँ अभी देख
हाँ मैं ही कर रहा हूँ जीटीएस
मैं ही हूँ GTA 6. I'm the GTA 6 now.
Wow.
Bro, genuinely no. The
So-
end of that video is not working. Sorry.
So technology has changed dating extremely.
Has it?
So yes,
Hmm.
a lot. So
Ask
of course,
Kautuk.
after watching the movie Her, this lady got really inspired, and there's
Oh,
a
no.
news, and there's a news article that I came across, which is woman 36 reveals that she is split up with the plane she's been dating for the last 9 years. So she's been dating a Boeing.
Oh no. Oh no.
Arey,
So
bro, we
she-
have done this in a thing of where people actually have relationships with inanimate objects. There was this woman married to the
Yeah.
Berlin Wall. वैसा भी है. There's a term for it.
But
तो
the
एक मिनट तो ये
great
लोग
thing is
का
that it's a breakup. the news is not about the fact that she's been dating the Boeing for the last 9 years. She's saying that we have split up and it's been mutual and we are still great friends.
I have been demoted from this relationship.
Well,
The relationship never
speaking-
took off.
Ah.
well, technically speaking, it is a Boeing, so it can split.
That's true.
Oh.
Yeah.
Huh.
And final one. This is tech being used against you in the worst way possible. So this guy was up for trial, okay, on a murder charge, and he thought he had gotten away with it until the judge pulled up his entire search history on the night of the said murder. And this is just him, वो कटघरे में खड़ा है, and the judge is just going through his entire search history on the night of. This is his search history, and she's just reading it out.
Which
1st
way
January.
to slash to kill person?
Literally, January 1st, 4:55 a.m. How long before body starts to smell? 4:58. How to stop body from decomposing? 5:20. How to dispose of dead body if you really need to?
You know the thing
Wow.
is, other what is getting me is the fact that these are such typical Google searches, but also murder Google searches.
Yeah, 9:29.
man.
What does formaldehyde do?
Oh,
Wow.
Dude. Okay, 9:59. How long before someone to be missing to inherit?
Oh,
Oh, wow. Wow.
Dude, it's insane. Then he goes, last May is 11:44. How to clean blood from wooden floor?
bro,
You know what I like about this fuck all murderer is that उसने अपना पूरा प्लान का सर्च हिस्ट्री वो एक रात ही किया.
हाँ.
ठीक है, एक रात में ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा अभी मार दिया है, अच्छा अभी अगले दिन ये करता है. उसने आज ही मैं डिसाइड करूंगा गूगल सर्च जो भी आया और उसके बाद चालू.
Bro, there was a very funny SNL sketch where this guy is he's in a court. There's an accused and there's one lawyer, right? And the guy has been he's accused of murder. Okay, that's the sketch. And his lawyer goes, Your Honor, my client could not have committed the murder, and I have the text messages to prove it. And from the Katgara, the guy goes like, you have my text messages? He's like, yeah, I have a text message. I'm going to read them out right now. I don't know. Don't read them out.
I admit.
I did the murder. No. He messaged this girl saying, you up? He messaged this girl saying, hey. He messaged this. And the guy's like, I did it. Just stop.
Put me in jail already.
the crazy thing about, I think we've spoken about it on a thing where Apple and Amazon are currently in a court case. I think it's to try and say, because Alexa or Siri or something
Heard a murder.
Yeah, is a witness in a murder.
Yeah.
Oh,
So, and in any scenario, it is privacy concerns that are thing, because, well, technically it's going to put someone in.
And
But it became a
Amazon,
big thing. There was a movie also around it where it's about this one specific तेरा home वाला smart device tech fictitious the movie, right? Or then वो time पे that home device catches a murder that has happened and how you sift through it. Do you come out with it? Do you hide it? उसके ऊपर एक movie था, I keep
Like,
forgetting the name, but really good.
Amazon keeps saying, no, we are just using that data to sell you more goods. Yeah, wait.
Here is some formaldehyde
Wait.
in your car. That is just
Anybody listening to this podcast and wondering what to do with formaldehyde, don't do it.
Yeah.
उसका लास्ट वाला तो बहुत ही डम था. It was
You can
at,
do something with casualdehyde, not with formaldehyde. That's all.
Very good.
Wow.
वाह वाह
Well
अच्छा.
done, Baba.
क्या बात
तो उसका last search था how to delete entire search history so that it can't be used against me in a court of law.
No, उसके पहले एक है, can search history be used against me in the court of law?
In court of law.
The next
Yes. Oh shit, how to delete search history? Cannot. अरे,
चूतिया
काट लग गई.
incognito mode गांडू.
What is VPN?
Dude,
That should have solved all your problems.
1 second, you know what else? Can you imagine how frustrating it must have been? You've killed somebody, right? Now you're finding out about formaldehyde, inheritance, वगैरह. And then you search for shit, and then you have to go through all those sponsored, the men's XP, 10 things you needed to do after killing somebody.
And
you're
you
like,
mean a
"Arey
TIS
yaar."
episode research legendary.
Dude, एक था IRCTC में एक लड़के ने कुछ किया था. He's booking IRCTC का website पे. He's trying to book a train ticket, and he does a screenshot of it and says IRCTC has gone so downhill. What is this? Because he was getting ads for like Pornhub or something
देखा
on
मैंने ये.
the ticketing website, and he screenshotted it, and he's been like all holier than thou. He's
Please
like,
don't
this is
do.
what.
He's telling, dear IRCTC, please watch the ads that you serve on your websites, etc.,
Yeah, yeah,
etc. करके कुछ तो. हाँ.
Yeah, and then IRCTC has replied, "Hello, the ads displayed to you are based on your search history."
Because they are automated. So, yes. Yo.
There was one other beautiful one that someone had posted online. It was for the Jaipur municipal, like if you wanted to put a complaint, Jaipur or some city, let's just call it some Indian city. If you wanted to put a complaint about your local area, you could have gone to this website, right? Now, the beautiful thing about this website was that when you clicked on, like, so they had a, what is your complaint? And they had a drop down. But the beauty of it was that the drop down was uniquely Indian. तो जो ऑप्शंस थे ना
Oh,
उसमें
yeah,
वो सब
I
था कि
remember this. Yeah.
मेरे यहाँ खड़खड़ खड़खड़ आवाज आ रहा है कुत्ते बहुत भौंकते हैं like it had like
Dude,
had
I remember this.
specific issues.
I remember saving this particular article because
Yeah.
one of the options was बंदर आ गए हैं.
yeah.
That is why I had earmarked and saved this entire article once.
And to be honest, that's the kind of specificity you want from your drop down
Yeah.
menu. Bro, 9 times out of 10, any drop down menu, I never find I have to
You have to
always
go
hit
to other.
there and then
Yeah.
fucking type out my fucking nonsense.
All right, on that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So we would have continued, but Baba has to go. So that's why we have to unfortunately end this
Fucking-
episode.
What a
We are really,
liar.
really sorry, guys. He keeps fucking
I'm ready to
doing
do
this.
it right now. I'm
Baba
ready
is
to
like,
do
I
2 more
want to
hours.
leave, I
तू
want to
ready है?
leave. एक
करेगा
घंटा हो
अभी?
गया है, guys.
2.5
बाबा
घंटा
करेगा
और
अभी?
करेगा. 2.5 घंटा. चल.
मैं 1 घंटा और करने बोला था, तूने बोला नहीं नींद आ रहा है, सोने का है, कल काम है, तो तेरे लिए हम लोग बंद कर रहे हैं. Anyway, you guys make sure you like, share, subscribe, and if this Bunkers is happening in your city, make sure you get tickets. We can't wait for you guys to come watch it. And yeah, until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salame ish. See you again next week.
On Tis Bunkers, I just want to say one thing again. Some
Abey
live
yaar.
shows I'm there, some live shows I'm not there. But I will be there for some.
Sorry,
I don't think
Sorry,
anyone
bol.
cares.
Sorry,
Uh,
bol.
Apologies.
Sorry, bol.
yeah, I have this one rando dude.
Huh?
You have this one random dude where
Where?
Yeah.
on the side.
This guy,
Is
this
he
guy is
walking up
my.
to you and giving you coffee?
This guy's my hero because this guy is like he's a kid from Delhi. He's a techie who found out that Jio and Hotstar are merging. So
Oh,
he
yes.
decided
Yes, I read
he
this.
bought JioHotstar.com.
And then he tried to blackmail. So
And
not
he's not
blackmail.
blackmailing. He's saying just this is my domain. Buy it from me. You have money because he wants to sponsor his college. This in Cambridge.
Yeah. Even I'd say because we had done a whole
Hey, this
episode
is
on
good business sense, dude.
domain
Wow.
names. It's
Yeah.
called domain squatting or something
Domain
like that.
squatting.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is domain
तो
squatting.
तो
What?
इसने
Good.
क्या किया उसने एक he had a whole message written out on, so if you went to Jio Hotstar at one point, there was a whole message written out saying, hey, hi, I have got this thing, I just want to I want to do a course in England, so just pay me this much money, that's my course ka thing, and take the domain. Okay, so Jio Hotstar immediately sent him an email saying, hi, this is legal team. Please get ready to pay this much money. This is our legal fees. Okay. So, इसने क्या किया? He sold or gave up or whatever. I don't know what he exactly done, but he's given the site to some people who are in Dubai.
Who are legit. Who are going to fight the case if they have to.
So, that's so basically Jio Hotstar is like, yaar. So the thing is, Baba, I don't like, from a PR perspective, what do you think? Like they should have just given him the money and it would have been like story ना कि look JioHotstar is also
No, then that would encourage. फिर उसके बाद चालू होते हैं सोनी जी, ऑल्ट बालाजी, MX प्लेयर, या फिर ऑल्ट नेटफ्लिक्स वीडियो, प्राइम हॉटस्टार, सब लोग
Yeah,
अलग अलग डोमेन ले लेंगे.
Technically, somebody on the tech team or the IT department should have done that before.
Already, that's basic.
Yeah.
I don't know how they didn't do
Yeah,
it.
they should have done that. So good.
also I would love to see ullunetflix.com. Someone is squatting on it, and then one day there is a merger between
Hulu Netflix.
Oh, that would be the day.
Yuck.
That
Oh,
would
yuck.
be the day.
So it's like semi-porn, but very good UI UX and very good user interface. Tudum.
Bye.
तो बोलते हैं end.